Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ChatGPT. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search about ChatGPT and you will click here in this window. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. Here in this page, you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store. You will search about ChatGPT and then here you will update your app if you find update. So that's it. Don't forget to press bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.